Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are doing a homemaking with me video today. I really needed to kind of reset and do some floor cleaning. I did a little grocery shopping trip as well as some food prep and snack items. So yeah, I thought I'm feeling the spring vibes. I'm ready for spring cleaning. We will do that soon, but I needed to reset after the weekend when I was filming this. So starting out with the floors, it's a constant right now. We are in the thick of the snow melting. The salt and the dirt is tracked in multiple times a day. I swear. I could vacuum, turn around, and then there's new dirt and salt tracked in. So you know how it goes. Vacuuming all of the floors. Sydney's fort was still up this day from when she had made it over the weekend. And so I'm letting it live in the living room for just a little bit longer until I took it down. And speaking of spring, I have been planning all of the gardening, what I'm growing. I've made a couple of trips to Home Depot. I grabbed a raspberry bush recently, and I am just so stoked. We still have snow all over the ground here, so it's going to be a little while, but I think I'll be starting seeds really soon inside, and hopefully everything grows for me this year. Fingers crossed. Oh, you guys, Sydney's playroom has been relatively maintained since Valentine's Day when she had her little Valentine's movie night with friends, and I am ecstatic. And I think it's because I'm finally on top of making her, pick up every single thing that is out of place before dinner or before bed, and it's been working. As long as I stay on top of it, she's doing pretty well, but I'm just, extra mindful of things getting put away. And so I don't know, I feel like it's just so much easier to play in a clean playroom. She's also getting ready for her St. Patrick's Day leprechaun trap. We are going to be building that this weekend. So if you have any brilliant ideas, we would love to hear it in the comments down below. I've been going back and forth with my Bona hardwood floor cleaner or just the Swiffer hardwood floor cleaner. Sometimes I feel like since I can see the dirt on the white cloth there a little bit better than I can on the Bona, I feel like I'm getting a better clean. That's probably not the case, but I don't know. I switch back and forth, kind of no rhyme or reason. It feels so good to have some clean floors, but I do it at least once a week. I'm scrubbing the floors, if not twice, just depending on how hard my daughter plays outside. And then the endless laundry. I don't know how y'all do it with more than two in your household, because I'm doing constant laundry and there's only two of us. So you are rock stars. So after I put the laundry in the dryer, the floors were clean, the dishes were put away from breakfast, I went ahead and headed off to the grocery store to do a little grocery haul. So this is everything that I got. I'm going to go through each individual item. I had some special coupons, so got things that I wouldn't typically buy. I've been loving extra dark organic whole bean coffee and grinding that up for myself for my Nespresso pods. I'm using those reusable, or not reusable, but those foil lids to reuse my Nespresso pods, and it's working out great. For produce, I have a couple of peppers, some tomatoes. I needed some canned black beans because I was out. I have canned sliced beets as well. My daughter loves Triscuits, and I had a coupon for if you buy 2 of them, you get a free block of cheese. And so I just did it, and they were also on sale. So I grabbed an organic one and like a sea salt one. I don't know. She loves Triscuits. I have a couple of avocado, mini watermelon. It was on sale for $3.99 this week, and my daughter loves it. We have strawberries, an English cucumber. I'm going to be making an orzo salad, so I really wanted cucumber. My daughter's on a huge cauliflower kick as well. Loves eating it just raw. We have whole wheat tortillas because I wanted some burritos or fajitas, some milk, feta. I feel like I'm always buying feta right now. I am on a huge kick, whether it be from that warm pasta dish or cold pasta salads. Love. This was my free block of cheddar cheese. So excited. We have some grilled carved chicken breast strips, wonderful for school lunches. We're putting in wraps. I had a free iced tea, which I actually ended up donating a couple of days later to like a little food pantry that we have. I have Bobo's chocolate chip oat bites. I actually got those for free because I stopped at CVS. I had a coupon for that. We have some organic chicken breast, and that does it for my grocery haul. It was just a smallish, kind of a random one. I mostly wanted produce and some chicken. And then I went ahead and made some of my coffee pods, saving a lot of money on this. Once I got the groceries put away, I got my coffee grounds put away. I went ahead and prepped some food. So I've been craving another Dutch oven bread loaf, and it's been a little while since I've made one. And so I wanted a spaghetti dinner the next day. So prepping some Dutch oven bread ahead of time. I do let this proof in the fridge. Well, I let this proof on the counter for a little bit, then pop it in the fridge overnight. Oh, it came out so perfect. I will have this simple recipe in the description box below. So easy. It just requires a little bit of patience. This one's a no-knead recipe, and it came out so crusty on the outside and chewy on the inside, and oh, my daughter and I could have eaten the whole loaf in one sitting. I may not be an expert at bread making or making anything from scratch in general, but I am absolutely loving it. It fills my soul. It makes me happy. My daughter's happy, and that's all that matters. And so I highly recommend, even if it's scary to start, I highly recommend starting something. And if you fail, that's okay, because in failure is where we learn. I am mostly preaching to myself because I see it in myself, and I see it also in my daughter. So just a reminder, do what makes you happy. Next up, I wanted to go ahead and make some lunch for myself and my daughter to have in the fridge as a ready-to-go item, and I love making orzo salads. It hit 50 degrees in Maine, so you know what that means. It is officially springtime. Just kidding. It's not, but us Mainers feel like it is. So an easy vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper, a little bit of honey. We have cucumbers, tomatoes, feta. I usually do some olives, but I didn't feel like opening a jar of olives today. I have fresh basil and some red onion, and I love just having this ready to go in the fridge. Oh, pretty much all the time. With maybe not in the winters because I don't crave cold salads as much, but when the sun is out, I usually have something like this in my fridge. And I recently got this container at, I think it was TJ Maxx or Home Goods for, I think it was $5.99. And I am very, very slowly switching to all glass, or as much glass as possible. And I don't know, little things like that make me happy. And it was very inexpensive. So definitely check your local Home Goods. Then the last thing I prepped today was something a little sweet. I wanted something a little sweet. I've been seeing these no-bake cookie, in quotations, cookie dough recipes, and they're slightly healthier, cleaner ingredients. And so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try myself. All you do is take some almond flour, maple syrup, coconut oil, mix it all together, some chocolate chips, and then you essentially like flatten it down into a patty, put some melted chocolate on top, put it in the freezer, break it up and eat it. It's supposed to taste like cookie dough. Did it taste like cookie dough? Absolutely not. Did it help satisfy my sweet tooth craving? Yes, it did. I have no evidence of me eating this, but I promise you my daughter and I devoured it. I broke it up into pieces and snacked on this, and it was actually really good. So I think I will definitely make them again. Like I said, it's not cookie dough, but it was a delicious sweet treat. There is evidence of me baking that Dutch oven bread though, and like I said, it came out so good. So that's going to do it for my day in the life homemaking video with me, homemaking with me video. I will talk to you guys in the next one.